I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee using a coffee maker. First, gather your coffee maker, fresh coffee, and water. Ensure your machine is clean and ready for use, then place a filter into the coffee basket. This initial setup is crucial for a great cup, ensuring everything is prepared for the brewing process ahead. Now, let's add the coffee and water. A good rule of thumb is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Pour fresh, cold water into the reservoir, being careful not to exceed the maximum fill line. This ensures optimal flavor and prevents spills. With your coffee and water in place, close the lid securely. Now, simply turn on your coffee maker and let it do its work. The brewing process usually takes a few minutes, and most machines will signal when the coffee is ready. Enjoy the aroma as it brews. Once brewing is complete, carefully pour your delicious, freshly made coffee. Remember to remove and discard the used grounds and filter. For the best taste and longevity, clean your coffee maker's removable parts after every use. This keeps your machine in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.